Hey guys, remember to subscribe for new videos.
G'day friends, Captain Starlight here, and I've got something really exciting to share with you. This delivery we just received, I thought why not unbox it right here on Fun with Captain Starlight. I wonder what it could be. Bit of a shake test, or I don't know, it feels light, it sounds light, maybe a bit of a smell test. Smells, what's that word? Cardboardy is what I would say. Maybe one last test before we unbox it. A bit of a hearing test. Well, you can hear the ocean.
I've got some treasure and I want
What's
to know
that?
where it is. If you go down to the beach.
Just tell me where the treasure is.
And I'll actually
Okay.
I'll meet you there.
I'll see you there, strange pirate voice. Great! Now it's time to unbox, guys. I hope you're ready and excited like me. Nothing in there that's I think it's already been unboxed. Yeah. That's okay. Anyway, maybe it's already been unboxed, maybe it's in another video. So check it out, like and subscribe to Fun with Captain Starlight here on YouTube. I'll just break that one down for recycling.